Good day, madam. Today I'm going to present about customer service and transportation analysis for GDEX. GDEX, originally known as GT Express Carrier Berhad, further in 1997 by Tiong Teck Lin, expanded from express delivery within Malaysia to nationwide coverage, including East Malaysia. It offers various logistics solutions like courier service, warehousing, and freight forwarding. Key milestone includes listing on the ACE market in 2005, moving to the main market in 2013, Yamato Holding acquiring a 22.8% stake in 2016 and a stake in Indonesia SAP Express in 2020. Competing with Post Malaysia, City, Link Express and DHL, GDEX has won many awards for service quality. The rise of e-commerce has boosted its business. GDEX is committed to sustainability with green practices and CSR activities. Looking forward, GDEX aims to expand in Southeast Malaysia and invest in digital technologies for better service and efficiency. That's all for me. Thank you.
Next, I'm going to talk about the analysis of GDEX customer service metrics. These metrics are important for assessing performance and ensuring the customer satisfaction. So first, let's look at the delivery time performance. The GDEX streaks for over 95% on time delivery using a real-time tracking to ensure the accurate and efficient routing. Next are the customer satisfaction indicators like the Net Promoter Score (NPS) and the Customer Satisfaction Score (CSAT). The high score shows strong customer loyalty, while the low score indicates areas needing the improvement. Then the complaint resolution is crucial, and the GDEX aims to resolve complaints within the 24 to 48 hours. Tracking resolution time help address problem quickly. And the contact center efficiencies included the metrics like average wait time, the first call resolution rate, and the call cancellations rate. An efficient contact center minimize wait time and resolve the issues of the first call. And the accurate shipping tracking is key for customer satisfaction, and the GDEX provide the real-time updates which build the trust and reduce the support queries. The delivery success rate measures the successful first attempt deliveries. This rate depends on the address accuracy, receiver availability, and the delivery efficiencies. Improving this rate boosts overall efficiency. Then the next is the customer retention rate, show the percentage of repeat customer. The high retention rate indicate the successful service, while the lower rates suggest the areas for improvement or competition challenge. Next is the GDEX Value Industry Certification, which benchmark service quality and continuous improvement. And digital engagement is measured by website and apps traffic, apps downloads, and online service use. Enhancing the digital engagement meet the needs of tech-savvy customers. Last but not least, the social media sentiment analysis give a real-time insight into public perceptions and helping GDEX quickly resolve the issue and the improvement of its brand image. That's all for me. Thank you.
Greeting to Ms. Najra, my name is Aina Umaira and I will continue with the analysis of transportation processes. Let's take a closer for various transportation modes utilized by GDEX. Firstly, the company employs a fleet of trucks and vans for domestic ground transportation within Malaysia. This mode of transportation is particularly crucial for last mile delivery, which ensures that packages reach customers' doorsteps efficiently. Next, GDEX leverage air freight services for time-sensitive shipments or deliveries to remote locations. This includes both schedule commercial flights and chart cargo plans, allowing for rapid delivery of urgent packages. For international shipments and bulky cargo, GDEX partners with ocean shipping providers. It's cost-effective for long-distance and non-urgent deliveries. GDEX also employs several key routing strategies to optimize its operations. First, GDEX utilizes a hub-and-spoke model. The company has strategically located hubs and distribution centers across Malaysia, where packages are consolidated before being dispatched to their final destination. Next is route optimization. GDEX use advanced route planning algorithm and telematics. It considers factors such as traffic patterns, road conditions, and delivery schedule. Lastly, GDEX employs a multimodal integration strategy. This seamless transition between road, air, and sea freights allows for smooth transition and provides customers with flexible logistic solutions. That's all from me. Thank you.
In this section, I'll be presenting the career selection criteria for GDEX. First and foremost, GDEX look for the criteria of courage and capacity, specifically the working space. This is due to large working space contribute by optimizing the business performance and ensure procurement efficiency. Secondly, GDEX aims to have cost efficiency when choosing careers. If there are book shipment discount for large quantities, it is beneficial to have the career. Last but not least, GDEX search for a career that have a strong reputation and stability, owing to the fact that they are reliable and have integrity. For example, GDEX has cooperated with Tasco by utilizing both of their assets without investing extra. GDEX focus on handling the delivery of goods to end user, while Tasco is in charge of inventory, warehousing, and packaging activities. Next, I'll be presenting transportation costs. Generally, GDEX has developed an online rate calculator for customers to acknowledge the price range of the consignment. The consignment is divided into two categories. They are parcels and documents, respectively. As we can see from the presentation slide, this is an example of how customers can estimate the transportation cost. The customer just key in the requirements by deciding the transportation cost they desire rather than adhering to a fixed price. Now, let us proceed to the part where possible challenges may be faced by GDEX in future. Essentially, our group has displayed three of them on the presentation slide. They are labor cost management, regulatory compliance, and technological integration. To mitigate these challenges, our group also came up with a solution. Initially, GDEX can create a flexible staffing model. This model would reduce the need of all employees to work simultaneously, thereby lowering labor costs and improving efficiency. Secondly, GDEX is required to conduct analysis on international shipping regulation from time to time. With a clear understanding of tariff, duties, and taxes, the company can price their products more competitively in different countries. Finally, GDEX is encouraged to implement the latest technology such as AI. This is because AI can generate brilliant ideas to solve company issues like inventory levels, warehouse management, and others.
Now, I'll be presenting the impact assessment on customer service. Based on the chapter 2, the identify customer service or delivery time performance, which includes an ST and CSAT, processing of client complaints in a timely manner, precise shipping tracking, customer rate of retention, and customer involvement. Delivery time performance includes Net Promoter Scores, NPS, and Customer Satisfaction Score (CSAT). The positive impact for NPS are reliable service and customer support integration. When the service provider is reliable, customers will promote the service provider to their families and friends voluntarily. Besides, the positive impact for CSAT are on-time deliveries and real-time tracking. This will reduce the inquiries from customer towards customer service, and customer will be satisfied towards the customer service. However, the negative impact for both the NPS and CSAT are if there is the case of the service failure, delayed deliveries, and the damaged good might happen and decrease the delivery time performance and service performance of GDEX. Next, processing of clients' complaint in a timely manner. The positive impact for GDEX trying to handle complaints within 24 hours to 48 hours are efficient issue resolution and collaborative efforts where it prove that GDEX has the ability to solve the issue quickly and there is high collaboration between the departments to solve the customer complaints. Furthermore, the positive impact of precise shipping tracking is able to update the system automatically, which do not let customer keep asking the customer service about the location of parcel. However, the negative impact would be there is lack of information sometimes when the transportation team forgot to update the location or the status of the parcel when it's delivered. Besides, the positive impact for rate of retention of customer is that GDEX able to conduct the predictive analysis to predict or forecast the service needed by the customers who return using our service. Yet, the negative impact are the inconsistent of client sales as we cannot really predict the sales of our clients. Lastly, the positive impact for customer involvement are customer able to make order and payment through online easier such as mobile app or website.
so that customers do not need to leave the house to use our service and can check the company's holiday or special delivery days on holidays through the social medias. However, negative impact will be bad reputation and losing of customer confidence when the system is down and customer cannot use the website nor the mobile app to make order, payment, or check the parcel, and they will post the bad comments to our social media, which will decrease our reputation in public. That's all from me. Thank you.
Last but not least, my name is Farah Shamini. Next, I would like to give some recommendation for improving GDEX transportation processes, which is first, GDEX can use modern data analytic and predictive modeling. This method will help manage resources effectively and utilize the fleet better during peak hours. By analyzing historical traffic data, weather condition and delivery time can help identify the most efficient routes. Next method is using an effective structure for assessment, which is incorporate client input and performance metric. First is client input, which is GDEX can regularly incorporating feedback from clients. This can help in understand their specific needs, preference, and pain point. Second is performance metric. GDEX need to implement key performance indicator, which is KPI such as on-time delivery rates, damage rates, and customer satisfaction score. This will provide GDEX operation a clear picture of how well the transportation processes are functioning.